Welcome to our channel. If you're a woodworking enthusiast, a DIY warrior, or someone looking to tackle paint removal projects, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 palm sanders that can elevate your crafting experience and help you achieve that smooth, professional finish you desire. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best palm sanders for woodworking, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best palm sanders for woodworking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the dewalt 20 volts max. Orbital sander, tool-only DCW 210B, founded in 1924. DeWalt is one of the leading American brands that specializes in the manufacture of top-grade power tools and hand tools. On that note, allow us to introduce you to the DCW 210B palm sander from the brand. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, this product can deliver accurate results that will not disappoint you. As a power tool from a brand with nearly 1 years of experience, the DeWalt DCW 210B palm sander exceeds our expectations in almost all aspects. You can adjust the sander speed between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM to suit the requirements of your project, thanks to the variable speed dial. Apart from this, it comes with a dust bag that collects all the dust generated during sanding, allowing for a cleaner workplace and environment. These features make the DeWalt DCW 210B one of the highly rated palm sanders on the market, that is, worth considering. The DeWalt DCW 210B is undoubtedly an excellent choice for DIYers and handymen, especially because of the lightweight and variable speed dial. However, we were a little disappointed to find out that the charger and the battery don't come with the product. They are instead sold separately. Other than this minor drawback, this product runs perfectly. Next on our list is the Asterisk Black & Decker B-Duro 100. Best budget option. Extremely affordable and suited for light-duty projects. The B-Duro 100 palm sander from the House of Black & Decker makes sanding look effortless, powered by a 2 AMP motor. This product can be the ideal choice for sanding a wide variety of surfaces with ease, and that too with optimal precision. To be honest, we were thoroughly impressed with what the Black & Decker B-Duro 100 palm sander had to bring to the table. For starters, it features a high-performance 2 AMP motor that works on a broad spectrum of surfaces. Plus, it produces 12,000 OPM, which further enhances its efficiency. One of the best performers in every department. The Black & Decker B-Duro 100 comes with a very affordable price tag, so you don't have to break the bank for it. And lastly, it is backed by a 2-year warranty, which clearly shows that the manufacturers are confident about its efficiency and durability. Honestly, we did not find any significant drawbacks with the Black & Decker B-Duro 100 palm sander. However, while testing this product, we noticed that the dust collection system is not great. It spreads dust all over the work surface, but this doesn't compromise on the overall sanding experience. Coming in at number 3 is the Asterisk Makita B0503OK. Best for durability. Next up on this list, we have another marvelous product from Makita, a renowned Japanese brand known for delivering high-quality and innovative power tools and industrial accessories. Having said that, the B0503OK palm sander from the brand is an option you wouldn't want to miss out on, mainly because of its efficiency and top-notch accuracy. We loved most of the features that the Makita B0503OK comes with, but what caught our attention right from the start was its ergonomic rubberized grip. Furthermore, it comes with a robust 3 amp motor, enabling fast and effortless sanding with a whopping 12,000 OPM. Not only that, Its massive 1/8 orbit action delivers swirl-free results, which is a big plus in our books. Well, like most products from Makita, this palm sander is also backed by a 1-year limited warranty. So don't worry if the product doesn't perform as promised, you can easily have it replaced. Without a doubt, Makita BO5030K is an exceptional choice for those who want efficiency along with top-notch precision. However, keep in mind that it doesn't come with a variable speed dial, which means you won't be able to adjust the speed as per your project requirements. At number 4, we have the Skill SR250801, best for versatility. Skill, a leading US-based brand that manufactures innovative and technologically advanced power tools, brings you yet another powerful option. With the integration of a hook-hand loop system, the SR250801 palm sander from the brand lets you quickly change sheets to minimize vibration and increase comfort. Want to know more? Well, keep reading. The ultimate blend of power and accuracy, the Skill SR250801 is one of the most highly rated palm sander options on the market. This unit offers spectacular precision and is perfect for both light-duty DIY and professional sanding projects. This palm sander's versatility floored us. The powerful 1-amp motor ensures that it can provide smooth sanding performance on a variety of surfaces, including decks and furniture. Furthermore, the microfiltration system helps in reducing dust levels to a great extent. It doesn't just end there. Overall, all these outstanding features are coupled with a reasonable price tag, making this product one of the best-selling palm sanders out there. Even though the Skill SR250801 is one of the best-selling products, it comes with a minor drawback. Replacement sanding pads are very hard to find on the market. This was quite disappointing, considering all the other exceptional features this product comes with. Last, number 5. Bosch ROS20 VSC. Bosch. It's a brand that doesn't need any sort of introduction. Its quality products speak for the brand itself. For this reason, we wish to introduce you to another versatile palm sander from this brand, designed to deliver a smooth and hassle-free sanding experience. Now, that's just one part of it, so keep reading to know more details. For starters, we loved the pad damping technology. Not only does it help eliminate swirl marks, but it also works on both rough and even surfaces. Apart from that, it comes with a variable speed dial letting you adjust the motor speed between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM as per your project. We were thrilled to see the efficiency level of the microfilter system. It has the potential to trap even the smallest of dust particles with ease. Plus, you can also see the dust level through the dust canister, which can be easily detached. Furthermore, this palm sander sports a rubberized texture on the handle as well as on the body, thereby allowing you to have multiple grip positions for a comfortable sanding experience. And finally, the ROS20 VSC palm sander from Bosch is backed by a 1-year warranty. In our opinion, the Bosch ROS20 VSC is a palm sander with a very efficient and powerful motor. That being said, it makes a lot of noise when in action. We wish that it was a little less noisy. Apart from that, the product performs quite well. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.